Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can recreate Barbie's rock and rails outfit and Dress to Impress. Moving everything except for the ones I did accessory adjustments on, which is a lot. I used this hair in this pink FF0051, positioned the Y at 0.47, Z 0.45, rotated the X to 0.52, and scaled to 0.43. Grab this hair from the dressing rooms. It's the one from the winter advent calendar. Position the Y at 0.43, Z 0.57, and then I also used this hair in the back toggle without flowers in the same color. Then I'm going to grab, I'm also using VIP items, so I'm just going to tell you that right now. I also used this top over here in gray, in glitter. Okay. Then I also used this skirt. I can just find it. Hello, where is it? Oh, here it is. And first this color, or did I use this? FF27B in silk. I think I did something a little bit darker. Actually, maybe like this, 931447. And then I did like the same gray as the top, but like in silk. Actually, let me just make that a little bit lighter, like this color. Then this two in silk. Then grab this belt and color it this color, CA0040. Position it, okay, so toggle it to the first one first and then color it that color. And then the second part too. Position the Y at 0.65, Z 0.43. Rotate the X to 0.53 and scale it to 0.42. Then for the veil here, I use this obviously in this color FF54B9 in silk, glitter. And I just colored the bow the same as the hair. Position the Y at 0, rotate the X at 0.54, Y the same, and scale it to 1. Grab the crown and color it BF and FF67A1. Position the Z at 0.39, rotate the X at 0.52, and scale it to 0.33. Then grab this necklace and color it this color. Actually, I'll color it white. And then for the third and fourth toggle, color this color, FF0050. And then the last color, white. Then for, oh my gosh, did I even use shoes? Yes, I did. For the shoes, I'm going to go here. Then I'm going to grab these shoes here, and I'm going to color it this color in silk for both. Grab the microphone and color the first one white, and the second one, I think I used this one, FF227B, or use like a lighter pink color. It's up to you really. I'll do this actually, D7467E, and that is it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.